Come around parallel at the back. That's the way. Hands down, down, going down, 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 and now in squeeze. Now don't be rushful with any of it. That's it. Rest it on the base. Very good.
Reposition.
Okay. That's the way. Yep. Now you've got it, and you start pouring. Start pouring. Nice and gentle movement's what we're after. Smooth movement. Let it pour. Let it pour. Beautiful. Let it pour. Keep going. Keep going. You want that flow to be consistent. That's the way. Beautiful. Beautiful. Keep going. 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 And up. Okay. And now we'll put that back on the plate. We'll use that charge for the next one.